the 6th of September 2022. Well, here we will just take one ride. Simply it was replaced. It's on Lähteenkuja 1, but I don't need to say the staircase. But the staircase A, calculated 6.54, so you can watch that in the link.
Yeah.
That I will put for you. Used to be Chinores here originally. But when was it built originally?
Yes, I have.
Early 90s? Or? I'd just like to know. I think.
1990.
Yes, so 1990. So 30 years old in 2020. Replaced already in 2018. 200. We went these 7 persons, so 630 grams. The temperature is 433394662. It's going to be inspected in 2024. And also the cab could have been more interesting.
Yeah.
But the floor is not bad.
Yeah.
You can press the trophy or combined ground and basement floor. So it still was not even 30 when it was replaced.
Yeah.
And what was the year you were here? Was it 2016 or 17?
Probably 17. But
Yeah.
inspected by Mainspector, maintained by Schiller.